Hi, I'm Joseph Falbo, Certified Financial Planner. Today we're going to talk about don't play the election of 2024. As an investor with the presidential election coming up, there's a lot of talk about how to play the market, right? That's how they use the words, like play. It's almost like gambling, right? Let's play the market based on who wins. You know, there's tons of articles and opinions out there on what to do with your portfolio if Trump wins or if Harris wins. Whoever takes the White House, this is what's going to happen. But let's break it down and see what you really need to do for the 2024 election, right? Let's just imagine for a moment you're a fan of sports. You might think, hey, if we get a new coach who loves offense, the team's going to score a lot more points. But even with a new coach, there are a lot of factors that determine the outcome. Injuries, weather, the competition, things we can't predict. Or staying the same also, or keeping the same coach doesn't mean it's going to happen the same exact way. It's the same with the stock market in different sectors. For example, energy policies are often seen as favorable under Republicans, while Democrats are seen as tougher on the sector. But the results don't always match because there's a lot of other factors out there, right? They don't match the expectations. There's a lot of other factors. Under Trump, the energy sector actually lost 16%. Under Biden, it went up 47%. That might be surprising to some people. So this is like thinking a coach will change everything, but finding out the game is much more complex. And it's not just a matter of who the coach is, right? Let's talk about playing the stock market itself. Playing the stock market, right? Have you ever tried to time traffic during rush hour? You think, hey, if I'm going to leave, 10 minutes earlier or 5 minutes earlier, I'll beat all the traffic. But then you wind up sitting in a traffic jam anyway, right? Because of something unpredictable. It's a car crash or some other factor happens. So that's what timing the market is like. Some investors like hedge fund manager John Paulson, who I've heard plans to pull out money out of stocks if Harris wins, but is that really a smart move, right? Is history showing that trying to time the market based on who's president is it's basically like trying to outsmart traffic. For example, if you had invested $1,000 since 1957 in the S&P 500 only during Republican presidencies, you'd have $27,400 today. If you had invested $1,000 only during Democratic presidencies, you'd have $61,800. But if you stayed in the market the whole time, regardless of policies you didn't try to time it, you'd have over $1.6 million, right? Check me out on that. Don't believe me on that. Check it out. The lesson, trying to predict the market moves based on politics is as risky as trying to time the perfect commute, right? You're better off trying to staying steady, sticking to your plan, not letting short-term events shake you. So what's the best way to handle the 2024 election? It's simple. Don't play the election. Don't play the stock market. Think of it like sticking to a healthy eating plan. You don't throw your diet away just because there's a holiday or just because it's a birthday. You stick to your plan. You stay consistent. I hope this message helps you.